Introduction to CSS. Understanding CSS selectors, HTML div element, connecting HTML and CSS with class selectors, and CSS text align property. Introduction to CSS. Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. In this presentation, we will delve into the fundamentals of CSS and how it is used to style HTML elements on web pages. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a language used to define the presentation and layout of HTML documents. With CSS, we can control the colors, fonts, spacing, and overall design of web pages. CSS selectors. CSS selectors are patterns used to select and style HTML elements. There are various types of selectors. Element selector selects elements based on their tag name. Example, P for paragraph. Class selector selects elements based on a specific class attribute. Example, dot button. ID selector selects a single element based on its unique ID attribute. Example, hash header. HTML div element. The div element is a container used to group and structure content. It does not carry any specific meaning or semantic value. Div elements are commonly used for styling purposes in CSS. Connecting HTML and CSS. To connect CSS styles with HTML elements, we use selectors. Add a class attribute to HTML elements. Element class is equal to class name. Define styles for the class in CSS using the class selector. Dot class name, styles. Example of class selector. HTML. Button class is equal to primary button, click me, button. CSS. Dot primary button. Background color, blue. Color, white. Padding, 10px 20px. Border, none. Border radius, 5px. CSS text-align property. The text-align property in CSS is used to control the alignment of text within an element. It can be applied to block level and inline level elements. Values for text-align include left, right, center, justify, etc. Example of text-align property. HTML. H1 class is equal to center text, heading H1. CSS. Dot center text. Text-align, center. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to CSS covering text alignment, HTML, div elements, and connecting HTML with CSS using class selectors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more web development tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching.